Effective field goal percentage is one of the most straightforward advanced basketball metrics that doesn't appear on the box score, and I want to tell you about them.
So what you normally see is a formula, and it's given to you as field goals made plus 3-point field goals made times 0.5 divided by field goal attempts, total field goal attempts, and this is expressed as a percentage. This fraction is expressed as a percentage. Okay, so let me explain a little bit how to do this. I'll give you a simple example to make you understand. But basically, what the whole point of this is that you have 2 points and 3 points, and field goal percentage doesn't distinguish between 2 points and 3 points. So if you shoot a bunch of 2s and 3s, it just counts how many you get in and how many you miss. It doesn't matter if you make more 3s or 2s. Essentially, it doesn't matter how many points you score, and this takes into account how many points you score, um, and I'll show you exactly how in a moment. So yeah, so one thing you'll notice is there's a 0.5 here times the 3-point field goals made. So what it really is, it's the 2-point field goals made plus 1.5 times the 3-point field goals made. And that makes sense because 3 points is 1.5 more lots of 2 points, right? And instead of writing 1.5, they wrote 0.5 because there's included in this field goals are both 2 points and 3 points. So there's 2-point field goals, 3-point field goals, and half again 3-point field goals. So it's 1 2-point field goals and 1.5 3-point field goals. Okay. And field goal attempts is the total number of 2-point and 3-point attempts. So let me give you a quick example to illustrate this, and I'll give you the derivation. Okay. So first, consider an example. I shoot 1 2-pointer, miss it, then I shoot a 3-pointer, 1 3-pointer, and make it. Okay, so I took 2 shots. So my total field goal attempts here is equal to 2. I made 0 2-pointers and I made 1 3-pointer. So my 3-point field goals made is equal to 1. And because the field goals made counts my 2s and 3s, that's also equal to 1. Because I made a 3-pointer. So in this case, can you see how the right hand side is equal to FGM plus 3 FGM 0.5 over FGA is equal to, so that's 1 plus 1 times 0.5 divided by 2. Okay, and so this is equal to 1.5 divided by 2, which is 0.75, and therefore eFG is equal to 75%. Okay, so so even though you only made 50% of your shots, it's as if you made 75% of your shots, your 2-point shots, because one of the shot you actually made is worth more than 2. That's basically the point of it. Okay, and then just compare it with the default example. So I shoot and make 1 2-pointer, then miss a 3-pointer. So can you see in this case, if I make a 2-pointer and miss a 3-pointer, everything is the same except for 3 field goals made is 0. So FGA is still 2 attempts. There's still only 1 field goal made, but now 3-point field goals made is 0. And so the eFG percentage, so it'll be the same as here, except this term is no longer there. Okay, so it'll just be 1/2. It'll be 50%. Okay, so in this case, this eFG is the same as FG, field goal percentage, because you didn't make any threes. Yeah, so effective field goal percentage is only different from field goal percentage if you make threes. Okay, and if you make a lot of threes, it's actually possible to get an effective field goal percentage bigger than 100%, right? Because if you just make 1 shot and 1 3, you'll have a 150% effective field goal percentage, because getting 2 points every shot is 100% field goal percentage, and if you get more than that, you'll get more than 100%. So there's some funny situations that can come up, and yeah, let me just quickly show you that the formula makes sense. So what we want is EFG percent equals, so we want 2 pointers made plus, so 1.5 times 3 pointers made. So this is like what you'd think it should be, divided by total shots taken. Okay, so yeah, so basically the main thing here is the fact that the field goals made is defined to be 2 pointers made plus 3 pointers made. So this is something, if we recall this, then our original calculation looks like this. And also maybe you can recall that field goals attempts equals total shots taken. So having said that, our calculation continues as follows. So 2 point is made plus 3 point is made. So before there was 1.5 times 3 point is made. So we're just breaking up 3 point is made into 3 point is made and 0.5 times 3 point is made. So we just turned 1.5 into 1 plus 0.5. That's all we did. Okay, and then we group this 1 together with the 2 point is made to get, and then replace the bottom by attempts because that's what shot taken is. Okay, and then now notice that this is exactly this. Okay, so this is equal to FGM plus 0.5 times 3 point field goals made. Yeah, so the lettering could be different depending on, I think the actual box score might have some different letterings, but as long as you understand what it means of a FGA. Okay. Yeah, and if you only shoot threes and you make a lot of them, you can certainly get more than 100% effective field goal percentage. And you cannot get over 100% field goal percentage. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.